I finally got the iPhone 4S up on my wall, and it's time to work on the next one. The iPhone 6S will be next. The 6S was announced and released in the fall of 2016, and only this past fall was it left off the list of iPhones compatible with iOS 16. It held on longer than most. The iPhone 6S is the last model with the 1/4-inch headphone jack. This time I went with an 8.5 by 11 frame to feature each part more prominently. Here's what I'll need to make this happen. I used a stencil and a ruler to draw in the title. Doing that first helps me get a better idea of how much space I have to work with. Now to the fun part, the tear down. I'll start with the charging port, then the main board, and finally the battery. The flex cables for the wake and volume button can be found behind those. I found the best arrangement for the parts that closely resembles the way it was in the phone, while giving each part some space. I used double-sided tape to adhere the parts to the canvas. Then I put some finishing touches on the title. There it is, ready for my wall.